Hello everyone and welcome once again to Darren's Data Dossier. Now still on our KNIME introduction, today I'm going to be showing you how to import and export KNIME workflows. Well, I should say export and import KNIME workflows because first we'll be exporting these KNIME workflows. Now, why do you need to export KNIME workflows? Say you have this your workflow and you want to share with a friend. If you move over to where the KNIME workflow is saved, now we have the folder where our KNIME workflow is saved and we can see first KNIME workflow. If we open it, we see inside that there's basically what we have are the nodes that we have in our workflows. Now, if your friend has KNIME installed on their PC, they won't be able to do anything with this. And for them to be able to properly import your workflow that you just worked on their own system into their own KNIME, you have to first export it. And to export it is pretty simple. All you just have to do is move over to your top left, click on the drop down and export. Now select workflow you want to export. Local just basically means the directory that we're already in where our workflow is in. So we have first KNIME workflow in here. Then we select destination folder and again just try and be tidy, so you could put it in the folder that you already have your current workflow, so you could have your KNWF file in there. So here it is and I can click on saving with the same name and then finish, and voila, I have my KNIME workflow. Now I can share this with anyone who has KNIME installed on their PCs. All they need to do is navigate to where the file is saved on their desktops. Now, if you come over here and just try to click the file from your local repository, it wouldn't work. You have to come in here and click on import workflow. Now you can see here it has .knwf and .knar. Now the difference between knwf KNIME workflow is that your KNIME workflow basically is just one single KNIME workflow, and then your KNAR, your KNIME archive you could call, is basically a couple of workflows all bundled up together. So for this, I could just click on my first KNIME workflow and then open, and okay, this is because I already have, you know, KNIME workflow open already. So I could say import with a new name just for this example, right? And it says KNIME workflow 1, and now I can click on that and it opens up. So notice, right, it has to have this, node showing thingy. If it's like this with just a file document, it wouldn't work. You just keep on clicking and you would make no progress. Now to import the KNIME archive, like I mentioned earlier, if I come over here and click on the KNIME archive, so this is a visualization at KNIME KNAL that I got from a tutorial on KNIME in the KNIME community. Again, remember to always use the KNIME community. Okay, I have that open already before, so I can say import with a new name. Just again, I mean, if it's first time that you're doing it, you shouldn't have that problem. So C08 visualization 1. Now, if I open this folder, see I have a couple of KNIME workflows in it. So I'm just going to open the first one, and there we go. So that's how you export and import KNIME workflows. Remember, it's a pretty simple step, but I found it really hard to do when I first started using KNIME. Thank you once again for tuning into my YouTube channel. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share if you know someone might need find this information useful. Thank you and happy KNIME.